Welcome to our roundup of the best waffle makers under $50. Affordable kitchen appliances designed to deliver crispy, golden waffles quickly and easily without stretching your budget. Whether you're making breakfast for yourself, preparing snacks for family, or experimenting with different waffle recipes, a reliable waffle maker can make the process simple and enjoyable. Modern waffle makers in this price range come with non-stick plates, fast heating systems, compact designs, and easy-to-use controls for everyday convenience. Many models also include indicator lights, cool touch handles, and space-saving builds that are perfect for small kitchens. Choosing the right waffle maker can save time, improve cooking consistency, and help you enjoy delicious homemade waffles anytime. Let's take a closer look at some of the best waffle makers under $50 available right now. Starting with the Fast Mini Waffles Maker. This model is a great option for users looking for a compact, lightweight, and highly portable waffle maker with quick heating and simple everyday usability. It typically features a small single-serve design that is perfect for individuals, dorm rooms, or limited kitchen spaces where saving space is important. The non-stick cooking plates help ensure easy waffle release and quick cleanup after use without sticking or mess. Its fast heating system allows users to prepare waffles within just a few minutes, making it ideal for quick breakfasts or snacks. Many users appreciate its simplicity, portability, and ability to deliver consistent results without complicated controls or settings. Additionally, it delivers steady cooking performance and reliable results over time. It also improves convenience, enhances portability, and supports quick meal preparation. Next up is the YSHE Waffle Maker, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced performance, consistent heating, and reliable everyday use in most kitchen environments. This model typically features non-stick plates that allow for even cooking and easy removal of waffles without breaking or sticking to the surface. It often includes indicator lights that clearly show when the unit is preheated and ready to cook, improving convenience and usability for beginners. The compact yet practical design makes it suitable for regular use without taking up too much counter space. Many users appreciate its stable heating system and ability to produce evenly browned waffles with a soft interior and crispy exterior. Additionally, it provides steady cooking performance and consistent results across multiple uses. It also improves usability, enhances consistency, and supports everyday breakfast preparation. Moving on to the Fohier Waffle Maker. This model is known for its strong heating performance, durable design, and ability to handle a variety of waffle-making tasks with ease. It typically includes a more powerful heating element compared to basic models, allowing it to cook waffles faster and more evenly without undercooking or burning. The non-stick coating ensures smooth waffle release and easier cleaning after use, which is especially helpful for frequent cooking. Many versions offer a slightly larger cooking surface, allowing users to make thicker or larger waffles for more satisfying meals. Users often appreciate its reliable performance and ability to maintain consistent heat throughout the cooking process. Additionally, it delivers efficient cooking results and dependable performance. It also enhances versatility, improves cooking speed, and supports more flexible meal options. Stepping up in performance, the Holstein Housewares Waffle Maker offers a great balance of convenience, capacity, and family-friendly functionality for users who need to prepare multiple waffles at once. This model typically features a multi-section design that allows you to cook several smaller waffles in one batch, saving time during busy mornings or when serving multiple people. The non-stick plates ensure easy release and quick cleanup, while the compact design still makes it manageable for most kitchen spaces. Many versions also come with fun shapes and attractive designs, making it more enjoyable to use, especially for families. Users appreciate its ability to deliver consistent results while handling larger cooking needs efficiently. Additionally, it delivers reliable performance and smooth operation across repeated use. It also improves efficiency, enhances capacity, and supports family-friendly cooking. Taking the top spot is the Dash No-Drip Waffle Maker, a highly advanced and popular option designed for maximum convenience, clean operation, and consistent waffle-making performance. This model typically features a unique no-drip design with built-in overflow channels that catch excess batter, preventing mess and keeping your kitchen clean during use. The non-stick cooking plates ensure even cooking and easy waffle removal without sticking or tearing. It also provides balanced heat distribution, helping create waffles with crispy edges and soft interiors every time. Many users appreciate its thoughtful design, ease of use, and ability to deliver reliable results with minimal effort. Its compact build also makes it easy to store when not in use. Additionally, it delivers efficient cooking performance and consistent results across different recipes. It also stands out for its convenience, innovative design, and overall value. All of these waffle makers serve different needs depending on size, performance, and usage. The UV-Fast model offers compact portability and quick cooking. The YSHE model provides balanced performance and ease of use. The Fohere model delivers stronger heating and better versatility. The Holstein Housewares model offers higher capacity for families. And the Dash No-Drip model stands out as the most convenient and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best waffle makers under $50. From compact personal appliances to more versatile models designed for better performance and convenience. Whether you're making quick breakfasts, preparing snacks, or upgrading your kitchen setup on a budget, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy perfect homemade waffles with the right waffle maker.